Welcome to this online training of the Anywhere365 Power BI desktop template. With the Anywhere365 Power BI template, you can quickly get started with using Power BI. Before starting using the Anywhere365 Power BI template, make sure you install the Power BI views. These can be downloaded directly from the Anywhere Go Live. When first opening the template, you'll be prompted with the following fields. You first need to enter your instance name. That's your server name plus your instance. You need to enter your database name. And optionally set up a view for the subscriptions. If it is your first time loading in, then you need to be prompted to enter either a SQL account or a Microsoft account. If you connected more, then it will start loading straight away. Once the data is loaded in, you will start at the Power BI dashboard. From here you can see some generic overview information in the summary overview. You can filter your data on the right. You can see some information from the skill summary, and you can see information on a quarter view. You can drill down on data to see information on a deeper level. For example, I want to see the latest quarter. Or you can return to the top. On the left, you can navigate between all the reports that are available. These are out-of-the-box views. Of course, you can make more yourself. Those views are seeing the information from a UCC level, on an hourly level, seeing the information of an agent, per skill, per caller, transferee information, status information, and classification information. Let's start off with the UCC information. In here you can see different information per UCC, the performance, queue times, initial talk times. You can also see information per day of the week, or see the call overview volume. Some views have reports within reports, giving you extra information you can use. On the right, we have your parameters. You can click them open to do some additional filtering. And on the left, you have some quick filters to only see call information, chat information, email, or other modalities. You can also switch between reports at the bottom. For example, let's go to the UCC per hour. In here you can see the same information, but then on an hourly level, in a heat map, or see average values in seconds per hour, or total volume per hour. You can also see the information per contact, per skill, or per agent. For now, let's do skill. In here you can see the information per skill, and you can click on certain values, so it will filter the rest of the reports. You can also see information by transferee. For example, you can see the information from agent to transferee, or per contact to transferee, or which transferee received which call from which agent, or which transferee received which call from which contact. For now, let's do transferee agent. You can also see the difference between internal transfers, external transfers to another domain, or transfers going to a UCC. In the status overview, you can see information per status, giving you insight in the login times of a contact center. Besides using the Anywhere out-of-the-box information, you can also enhance information, for example, from a back-office system like Dynamics 365, or load in your Active Directory for even more information about your agents. This concludes the online demonstration of the Anywhere365 Power BI app.